What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Builderall, the beginning for beginners, CPA marketing tutorials 2018. Let's get it, y'all.
You ready?
What's up, guys? It's your boy CJ here, and I'm excited. You know why? Because this is the beginning. This is the beginning for me. This is the beginning for you. And today we're going to talk about Builderall and how this is going to change the game up for your marketing and whatever affiliate program or CPA network you're working with today, guys. And I'm excited because I'm going to dissect this thing to the T and make sure if you join my team, you fully understand this platform to the T and you're able to utilize it to your full potential to maximize on your capital and get your ROI on this software. I'm telling you guys, it's great. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's not waste any more time. So today we're going to talk about browser notifications. This is how the big dogs are doing it. And I came across this yesterday when I was kind of going through the platform. And it's simple. All it is that when somebody goes to your website, a little box pops up and it says get a notification when such and such happens. Like, let's say if the highest paid survey, like $25 and up, pops up or something like that. You can they can accept the notification and you're able to send them any affiliate offer after they've accepted that notification to get to receive messages from you from this website. So I'm gonna give you a quick demonstration on how this works. I have this paid survey site. If you've seen in my past videos, is about paid surveys, and these are a bunch of different affiliate offers in here. So I'm going to connect this survey site to this browser notification, and when we get ready to enter our URL into the browser notification, it's going to take us up there and it's going to give us a notification to receive messages from this site when the top surveys are being offered. So let's get to the demonstration real quick. So we're going to call this Buzz, and we're going to get the website URL. Copy that there, paste it here, and desktop notification. We're going to put get notifications on the top surveys. And we're going to put the same thing right here. Make it a little bit more catchy. And then we're going to pick an image. Let's find the Survey Buzz logo. Okay. Now let's use the white one. There we go. Now that's what it looks like, and you can also change the button colors. Like, let's say if we want it to be red to pop out more, or to match with your site. See, it'll match red, but let's try, like, let's say this yellow right here to match with Survey Buzz. Boom. Stands out, it's bright. Click done. Now the Survey Buzz notification is ready. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come and get a piece of code. We're going to copy this right here, and you're going to insert this into your HTML code in your website anywhere. And the heading. So I'm going to insert an HTML code right now. Wait for that box to pop up. Oops. Let's try somewhere else. There we go. And we're going to paste the HTML code in here, and it's instantly going to show you the notification inside the window. Alrighty, and we're going to save that. Now, let's test it out right quick. Let's get the URL link, go to incognito window, and test it out and see if the notification pops up. Boom, there it is right there. Now, once this happens and they accept that, once they're able to accept the notifications, now you can send them any type of offer you want at any time. I'm going to show you how you can do that in real time also. So let's go back to the Builderall back office, and we're going to do push notification. Let's see. Everybody enters in their email, which is an email submit, you'll receive $1.50, which is a one-bid submission. So we're going to come here to the browser notification. We're going to do push notification. And I already have it set up here. Sweet deals. Get a $1,000 Visa gift card. And I have this picture right here, which I downloaded from Google. Just go to Google and just type in $1,000 Visa gift card. And then when I push the send button, we're going to receive a notification right here on the side of this computer. Watch. Boom. There it is. And that's how the big dogs are doing it. And they're constantly sending out offers to people on a day-to-day basis, consistently, free and organically, by simply having a push notification and having people subscribe to their website. And they'll receive messages about anything. It doesn't matter what it is. CPA offer, a new YouTube video, whatever it is. It's going to pop up either in the right hand of their desktop, or it's going to pop up on their phone. It works both ways. It works for the phone and the desktop as well. So this is what's great about this platform. And this is only one of the application that comes with this. We still have to discover the SEO on page report tool that's going to help you get your page ranked #1 on Google. We have the click maps, which is going to show you where people are clicking on your website the most. The chat review, which will let people be able to review your website and be able to give you higher ranking and communicate with you and give you feedback. The Facebook inbox answer, which is amazing. This is going to be able to automate your stuff on autopilot and save you some major time, to where all you have to do is simply drive traffic to, let's say, one of your videos or something like that, and somebody leaves a comment, and they're going to automatically send whatever message to their inbox. Locker, where you can lock content up. The e-learning, where you can create your own video courses and have it inside the platform for your students, which I'm working on for you guys right now as we speak. For the people that are on my Builderall team, I'm going to teach you step by step how to market with this software platform. All of these great tools, guys, all these great platforms, and I'm going to show you how to market Builderall as well. Like I said, I'm working on 100 people I want on my team to train. All I need is 100 good, focused, well-rounded people that are ready to work and get out there, and let's thrive together, guys. I hope you found this video and content very, very informative, and I look forward to working with you. This is CJ with Smart Grind Entrepreneur. entrepreneurs. Builderall, the beginning for beginners, CPA marketing tutorial 2018, y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop smart grind if you're going to join the team. I'm out.
You ready?